Hey there, welcome. Ever feel like managing your money is a bit of a mystery, like a secret code you just can't crack? You're definitely not alone. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of personal finance, and we're going to break it down in a way that's easy to understand, even if you've never thought about budgets or savings before. Think of this as your friendly, no-stress introduction to taking control of your financial future. So, what exactly is personal finance? At its heart, it's simply the way you manage your money. It's about understanding where your money comes from, where it goes, and how you can make it work best for you. It's not about being rich overnight. It's about making smart choices today that build a more secure and fulfilling tomorrow. Imagine it like tending a garden. You plant seeds your income, water them your spending and saving, and with a little care and attention, you watch them grow into something beautiful and abundant. We'll explore the fundamental building blocks. We'll touch on the importance of knowing your income, that's the money you earn. Then, we'll look at expenses, which are the costs of living your life, from your morning coffee to your rent. Understanding the difference between what you earn and what you spend is the very first step. It's like taking a clear snapshot of your current financial picture. But it's not just about tracking numbers, it's about setting goals. What do you dream of? Maybe it's a down payment on a home, a fantastic vacation, or simply the peace of mind that comes with having an emergency fund. Personal finance is the roadmap that helps you get there. We'll discuss how to set realistic goals and create a plan to achieve them, step by step. It's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions that align with your aspirations. We'll also gently introduce the concept of saving. Saving isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritizing your future self. It's about setting aside a portion of your income to build a cushion for unexpected events and to fund those bigger dreams. Think of it as giving your future self a gift. And we'll touch on the idea of investing, which is essentially making your money work for you, helping it grow over time. This journey is all about building good habits. It's about creating a system that feels manageable and even enjoyable. We're not aiming for perfection, but for progress. Every small, positive step you take makes a difference. By understanding these basics, you're equipping yourself with the tools to navigate your financial life with confidence and clarity. Thank you so much for joining me on this introductory exploration. I hope this has sparked some curiosity and made personal finance feel a little less daunting. If you found this helpful, consider following along for more insights and tips on building a brighter financial future.